Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a clean lower thirds title to your video. So hop into Adobe Premiere Pro and add a video clip. From there you're going to want to go to Graphics, and you'll see this Essential Graphics open over here. There are templates in here that you can use if you don't want to make your own lower thirds. So you can take a template from here. Let's say this classic image caption, drag it straight onto your project if you'd like. This is going to add just a generic lower third. Some of them look okay, some of them don't, so you can make that choice on your own project. You also can make your own lower third pretty quickly by adding a text box, make sure that your text box is big enough to show the whole text. Add another text box. You can see I got these layers over here. You can change the font size. I try to make my boxes fit the size of the text because that can help you when aligning things. I can highlight both of these and click left align, right align, middle align. You can add shapes behind these. If you click this, you can add text, vertical text, rectangle. And then, once I have this shape kind of how I want it, I'm going to drag the layer over here to the bottom so that it's behind this. Finish editing this down. Maybe I want the shape to be black and I want this text to be white. I don't know. But you can add it however you'd like. I'm going to make it fit that. You can add effects to your lower third graphics by hitting the Effects tab and using video transitions. So I'm going to use a cross dissolve at the beginning and the end of this so that it fades in and fades out. And that's a very simple tutorial on how you add a lower thirds to your video.